Hey guys, and welcome to my channel, which I'm going to be explaining to you a little bit more about affiliates, links, etc., and how I use clickbank. Just before we do that, what I would like to do is I did touch on yesterday regarding this builderall. The link is below the video, which will be posted on YouTube. If we have a look up here at builderall, this is basically works. Like a landing page. I don't know if you understand, but if you do, the best idea is to look at a lot of other people that are doing this. There is some amazing people that are actually doing this at the moment. My sponsor actually, who's doing this, is very good, and her name is Marissa Murillo. She's really good, and I'd highly recommend that you look at her webinars, and you can learn a real lot from her. But I can just give you a rough idea of what I've been playing around on this. You can see here that I've set it up so this is the disseminator, which I said about, and basically you just put your email and then you put your name in, click on your free stuff, and you basically set it up so you collect their email, and then what happens then is you just have their name, and then it goes through to a page just like this one. All right, so if we click on edit, that's the best idea, and you can have a look on here. It's just loading because this is a server, so it's actually not on my machine, it's on the web. Okay guys, so if we have a look at here, so this is a squeeze page. So basically this is how you can design it. Now if there's anything you want to change on this, you literally click the right mouse click and text. Okay, really simple to do. And then you just highlight the picture and you just basically adjust it. You can move it about. See where I can do that? There's a timer, I can set a timer on it. And then the idea is I'm basically like the email, first name, get your free stuff, and then it goes to a thank you page, which is this little fella here, and you'll see that there's a web page here, 20% off coupon. And then obviously if you're interested, you click on the act now button, and what that will do is that will bring up, so if I preview it, so we're now live. Okay guys, so let's just click on YouTube. And of course you can download any of these, providing it's in your niche and you're an affiliate to it. There's no reason why you can't download these. You won't get done for copyright issues. So this lady here is talking about the disseminator, and of course if you watched it, it goes on around about 7 or 8 minutes. And obviously you click down and say, hey, that's great, I want to act into that. I'm going to now act now. Now what we'll do now is we get this story. Now I said to you yesterday about this guy. He's a really interesting guy actually. He's actually a Marine, and he stumbled across this, and you really should have a click on it. So have a look and you'll see what I'm on about. But the video does go on for a while, but it was quite a fascinating story, and you can understand why it went on for so long, because he just wanted to create an in-depth conversation of what was going on. So I'm not going to obviously start that now, but you can see that it's doing its job. It's doing exactly what we want it to do. So I'm going to click out of this. I'm just going to show you here. If we click onto drag and drop pixels, and then we're going to create a sales funnel. The idea of this is I'm just going to show you what funnels are available, and you can see why it's such a unique software. It's just so good. I mean, you've got video sales, invisible funnel, product launch funnel, storefront funnel, summit funnel, membership funnels, and all these are basically, they're designed to capture emails, and then they will be sent off a day or the next day, because a lot of people, there's so many scams about, and clearly, I'm not a scam, and there's guys out there that are using these products and they're not scams either. They're generally out there to serve a purpose and to help people, and to make a living at the same time. We're going to click on this one here, which is squeeze page funnel. So we'll click on that, And what it will do, it will give us the blueprint. So we're going to see the blueprint. Just what I say, it's a bit slow because it's on the server. And the idea of this blueprint, basically, I can click on this video and it will explain it. So if I click on this video now, you can see the gentleman's talking about. It's got loads of comprehensive information. It's absolutely excellent. And if there's anything you're stuck on, there's normally a tutorial for anything. And obviously there's your sponsor. So if you signed up and you've got the sponsor, that's going to help you. But the idea is this is a Facebook ad here, all right? Or it can be a blog. And if someone's interested in that, what they do is they put their email, which goes to this one here, all right? And then they might think, oh, this is really great. I'm going to move and I'm going to go to the end page, which is the thank you page, where you can get your free information. It could be an ebook. Or it can be a video, just like I showed there, which is a free book, and it gives you more extensive information on what you're trying to sell, or to you're supplying something that's going to help someone. And if they think, oh no, I'm not really interested in that, or most people haven't got the time, they gave their email address, phone goes, oh, they get up, they go off somewhere, they come back and completely forgot. Well, what happens with the squeeze page is the next day it will send in a little, just a gentle reminder, and to say, hi, if you're really interested in this, check out this. And then again, it will do it the second day. And you can do this up to 4 or 5 days, actually, depending, because you can set it all up. And you set it up basically by using, it's called a mail boss. Now, this mail boss, again, is really great. I mean, if you click on builder mail boss autoresponder, there we go. I'm just going to click on this, guys. Here we go. And basically you can set it up. So you can see it's loaded up. And there we go. There's your tutorials. And it just shows you how you can set it up. And you just create basically an email to go out to those particular people. So it's really great designs. Video, webinar, there's loads of stuff you can do with this. It's just got heaps and heaps of stuff. If you really are interested in this, click on the link below. If you don't want to use my link below, just sign in builderall and have a look online, and you will get the same unique information that you require. Now, going back to the yesterday's webinar, which I did, we created a clickbank ID, and what I wanted to do actually was, if I can just close this down, save. Just going to quickly go to documents. Okay, right. So there's my fat disseminator. All right, and there's my affiliate links. Now, say for instance, then see this little fella here. It's completely different to the affiliate link. If you look down here, you'll see that there's an affiliate link, which is the disseminator. So see that link there? Look, see how big it is? Look, that one there. So what we do is we're just going to copy that little fella there like that. And what we'll do is we use a project, it's a shortener. This is available online. And all you basically do is you just put your link into the shortener, and it automatically converts it and just makes it look a bit more prettier. And then you just copy it, and then you've got that link, and that link will work. And it's not hiding, you know, it's not working as it's hiding that, oh my god, it's clickbank, you know, it's nothing like that. What it does is it just makes it look a bit more professional. And there's loads of there's other links as well which you can use. There's a Google one. Personally, I only use Bitly. I just find you just got to go to bitly.com. As soon as you type it into the search engine. So if we click here and we just type in bitly.com, it will come up, and then you just basically just right mouse click, copy, paste, copy that, and then you've got it. And then you just go there and you can paste that in, right mouse click, paste, save, and there you go, that link's now saved. Okay guys, so that's all for me for the moment. Hope you enjoyed the YouTube video, and look forward to me bringing some more stuff, which I will be doing. And stay tuned. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, you got any feedback, give me some feedback, and give me any idea if there's anything else that you might be interested in. Thank you very much.